What is the value of the expression 40 plus open parenthesis 7 plus 3 close parenthesis divided by 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 inside the parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? 98% of people get tricked and choose the wrong answer. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, go straight to the first parenthesis and simplify this expression to 40 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 inside the parenthesis. And the next step, they go to the addition between 40 and 10 and simplify this expression to 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 inside the parenthesis. Then, they perform the division between 50 and 2 and write this expression as 25 multiplied by 7 plus 3 inside the parenthesis. And the final step, they go to the expression inside the parenthesis and simplify to 25 multiplied by 10, which eventually gives them the answer 250. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go to the expressions inside both parentheses and simplify to 40 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 10. In the next step, they go to the multiplication between 2 and 10 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, they simplify this expression to 40 plus 10 divided by 20. And the final step, they perform the division between 10 and 20 because they say division has a higher priority than addition. So, they rewrite this expression as 40 plus 0.5, which eventually gives them the answer 40.5. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations exactly in order from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see in the image and this expression, first we have an addition sign, then parentheses, followed by a division sign. After that, we have a multiplication, and finally another parenthesis. We must start with the parentheses first because they have the highest priority than the other operation. So, this expression simplified to 40 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 10. And the next step, we move on to the division and multiplication because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, it's really important to understand that multiplication and division have equal precedence. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 10 and 2. And instead of this expression, we can write 40 plus 5, then multiplied by 10. In the final step, we handle the multiplication between 5 and 10. And this expression simplified to 40 plus 50, which finally gives us the answer 90. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.